I had my tool. I put it in the cart. They need a feeder maybe. They're starting to cap honey, but it's not very heavy. They're reactive. They're quite reactive. It's quite interesting. Don't smoke them. Not yet. Take a frame. Come on the other side over here. Take a frame and kind of like when you kind of take it out, give it a little motion, and listen to the hive. It'll go woo. It's like a fan. Come on. Hear that? Mm-hmm. When you're lifted, it goes woo, like that. Wah wah. Now they're up. Hear that? It's like they're drawing it out. They're starting to right there. Mm-hmm. That looks good. This one's a good one. Yep. Look at that. Whew. Nice. Well, maybe.
Are those drones?
Yeah, they look like drones. It's hard to tell. It's with these sunglasses on because of the video. What do you see? I can't tell anything.
So those are drone cells.
Do you see any eggs?
Nope, nectar in between. Got larvae on this side though.
Okay, well then that's enough.
Yeah.
I think I've seen enough. They look really good. What do you think?
Yeah.
Do you want to keep going or?
No, I think they're good.
Okay.
You got a feeder on the bottom down there though.
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
Let's just whoa, nice. Just feed them real quick, I guess. Just run the. I'll get it. No harm in keeping it in the bottom, is there?
I don't know.
What do you think?
I've never read or seen anything about it, so I'd rely on your experience.
It doesn't matter. There's no right answer. I mean, there is. There's a best answer, but if we make a mistake, the only thing that's going to happen is all my bees are going to die.
You think we should move these two and put it on the end? Because that's...
We're missing a frame.
And those look like queen cells on that one.
Let's take... Hear that?
Hi, girls.
Nothing. Oh, there we go.
That's got some weight on it.
Okay, we're getting something there. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Is that light?
No.
Good. I'll put this on the outside in. Wait, hang on. That's a light one. That's a heavy one. That's a light one. Oh, I like that. They're laying in it. Hey, you want to grab it from a? Oh. Keep them over. Well, she wouldn't be up here.
Well, she might if you got brood.
All right, so let's move. Take one to the center out. Move that one in the. That's heavier. That one in there. He pulled another one out. So we got these three left, and these couple here too. That looks pretty heavy. Or these look really good on the end.
Yeah, they're all really heavy.
Are they capped?
About 40%.
Nice. All right, let's put them. Do we have a feeder in the other one?
In that one?
Yeah. What do you think?
See. I don't think you need one in that one though.
Think we need one in this one right now?
Let's take that.
Gosh. That's heavy. Feel that?
Yeah. I think these are all empty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'd flip boxes. So pull 2 empty frames out of this one. Put the feeder in it and put it on top of that one. Since queen's obviously not over here.
This is full. This got nectar in it. Or syrup.
Really?
Yeah. Wait, is that the queen right there?
Where?
It's hard to tell with these.
No.
I can't really see anything with these sunglasses on.
Yeah.
Hold on, we need these two.
Steady that.
Got it.
You want to look for queen signs before we close it up?
Okay.
I don't think we have anything on the bottom.
You don't think we have any queen cells on the bottom? Oh, you mean queen cells?
No, I don't think you have any drawn comb on this one.
Oh, we've got a queen though, right? You think?
That's why I'm saying we might want to look for queen signs.
We're going to see it at the bottom one, not this one.
That's why I wanted to just check to see if there was any drawn.
I don't think there's anything in this top one. We need to go down.
Back.
Blue's empty, right?
Blue's empty.
Go ahead and feed them, and I'll just open them up.
Funnel fell off.
I still have another 50 pounds of sugar. I'm gonna throw away the pollen patty. I think we should use small little pieces when we do it, and only keep it for a handful of days. We need to open this over the top. Did she come out yet?
Yep.
Find her. She hatched though.
Yep.
Good.
She was in that.
Told them, Matt, put her back. Just put her back. Just let it do. Let it work. That's enough. We've already seen her. She's there. Don't stress her out too much. Well, I think we run the super off of it right now. What do you think? Or I can't see. I can't really see what's happening because it's too dark. You're gonna have to make a decision. You wanna go another one down?
Capped honey.
That's a deep. I mean, this is all capped.
Yeah. I'd put the super back on and see
what
they do with it.
Well, let's do it.
I mean, it's drawn for them, so there's not additional resources they're gonna have to put to draw out comb.
And we gave them some food, so they can focus.
Wake them up.
No, they were pretty.
I think we need to look at those queens.
You can, if you want to.
When we were out here 3 days ago, I thought they'd already been hatched by now. But I feel like there's not enough stuff in there